Hello everybody, this is Bhavani, ALP astrologer. So I am here to talk about share market, right? In ALP astrology, we used to see that Lagna grows for every 10 years. According to that, this speculations have a vast difference. Many Lagnas doesn't have good speculatory influence in their chart. For example, the Lagnas like ALP Lagna will be moving for around 10 years. Every 10 years, it keeps on changing. So, for instance, for example, ALP Lagna is in Gemini, and for that Lagna, we used to take speculations as the fifth house significance. Fifth house lord is actually Venus, and Venus is also the lord of 12th house, which is meant for loss or expenses. So, if a person is going through Gemini ALP and he enters into speculations, what will happen? It will automatically result in loss and expenses, or it leads to so many debts because of the speculatory influence in his life. So always have a concern towards whether I can deal with the speculations in my life. Will it, because everybody entering into speculations are not getting profits or success. It is upon the most experienced persons, even they are doing trading for so many years, are not getting good returns or good profits because of their lack of knowledge as well as this planetary influences. Sometimes it is beyond our control. We may think that investing in such and such company is going to give me a huge profit, but after a few years or few months, that is going to drop to an bottom that is, which is a huge loss, and they cannot come out of it for so many years. So that is why whenever you are planning to get into speculations, have a consultation with an ALP astrologer or come and join this ALP astrology course so that you can get the right guidance whether to do speculations or which is the right time to do speculations, right? And one more example I can tell you is this ALP Lagna is Sagittarius. Even for this Lagna, the fifth house lord is Mars, and he is also the lord of Scorpio, which is the 12th house. Even for them, the speculation is not that much profitable. It will end up in loss. And for the ALP Lagna Aquarius, if we take Aquarius ALP Lagna, the fifth house lord is Mercury. We used to think that Mercury is good in calculations, right? So Mercury, which is concerned as a good planet for calculations and so many statistical, analytical things. But when we consider in astrological manner, this for this Aquarius ALP Lagna, fifth house lord is also Mercury and eighth house lord is also Mercury. So what happens when they get into speculations? That will lead into huge unrecoverable and unresolvable debts. So always just think twice before getting into speculations. It may seem like it is going to give you huge profit and we are going to settle down in our life, but it is not in that way as per the astrology. So always have a good support and guidance from astrology side, or you just learn by yourself. You just come and learn ALP astrology. Within this 15 days of course duration, in the basic level itself, you will be knowing whether this doing speculations is good for me or it is going to be a loss or getting into a lot of trouble. So share market, it seems like a goldfish, but sometimes it is going to swallow you and you cannot see gold inside, right? So always have support of astrology before getting into speculations. Thank you.